So we talked about ideas. They do a sketch. They will go on the computer and come up with ideas. And in the end, was global warming was like what is not nature, what is not beauty, what's not peace. I took all the best ideas. They gave me a lot of inspiration back and forth.
My painting is dividing global warming, and it's dividing human natures, like they're going against one another.
We're on the earth driving, and the shadow appears, a very dark cloud representing global warming right here.
Supposed to be a superhero, and he got every superhero as a sidekick. So I said, oh, okay.
It's a hand just doing something in shape of a moose.
As you can see, this half is global warming because everything is destroyed and it's fire.
And instead of a person, I used a creature, a lizard, a green lizard, to symbolize like the grass and all of that.
I chose the butterfly because I think a butterfly is very beautiful.
A mixture of blue and a darker blue right here to represent the pollution and the gas that's surrounding the earth.
Global warming is a dark phase of humans and what we cause.
When global warming is up, that's going to burn. And
no,
it's
my butterfly is not going to burn. It's going to fly away.
A blue background to represent the sky. You know what I'm saying? That's nature right there. It's very beautiful.
Knowing how people are, I feel like they are aware of what's going on but don't really want to change it.
No, it's not going to burn, Ariel.
It's going to burn and I'm done.
We need a person to help save the people, all the other tragedies. And my lizard here, my lizard friend, they help clean back the trees and the atmosphere.
I chose to write the words hope, love, peace, harmony around, because that's what I feel a butterfly is.
I have hope for the future, but I don't think my hope is enough, because the way things going right now, I really don't know what to think.
You know, global warming is very scary and real.
And Mother Nature is light and peaceful. It reminds me of music because music is peaceful, so I have music notes.
In the class with Duda, he just taught us like to use like a different look at global warming, to like express your feelings through like art and words.
Us as the youth, we have to get out here and spread the word and let people know that you have to change.
If things keep going how it's going now, then it's not going to be good at all.
If you think about it, global warming, if it comes, it's going to heat up the whole earth and butterflies and all other animals are going to die.
This mural is going to help all of the people that pass by and see it. They're going to realize that they have to change. They got to.
You look like you want to go to the top.
Yes, right.
Right.
Painting, doing wonderful colors. It's fun. And I really want to do this again and again.
Right here, make it right here, Crown Heights. You got the basketball court. They had all the tournaments over here in the park. This represents a hell of a lot, man.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, cut!
So this is our 272 mural in CITYarts' 41 years of existence. Yes, we survived. Yes, we can do it. And yes, we can do it with you.
Born in Brazil, São Paulo, to me, be in New York and do a project like this is a fantastic experience. My experience in the United States for more than 10 years, and this has been a fantastic thing for me to be part of the field. And today I could say I'm a Brazilian American artist, and I have contributed to the community right here in this land in a very beautiful way.
What's wonderful about Duda is he's not just talented, but he has a heart. And kids came back to work with us because he made them feel so great. They are doing something very special.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
When art poses a question, I think the artist accomplished what should be, then instead just giving simple answers.
It's a great pleasure to have a Brazilian artist here working with the community in New York. It's really fantastic, right? We're very proud of him.
I mean, I walked past them doing the mural a few days, and I expected it to be like something new since we never had nothing like this in the community. But at the same time, I didn't expect it to get that far. Like he said, all the colors, the kind of message that's on it, I didn't expect that to come out of a recreation center, because mainly the kids did this. So it's like people my age got together and created this great work of art. It's different.
Since every project, it's like a puzzle. It's bringing the pieces together. In this case, we had the children, we had the parks, the commissioners here, our collaborators, we had our staff, we had our guests from Brazil, which is wonderful. So, and of course, the beauty of it is when you are unveiling this wall and you see this beautiful picture perfect, you say, great, they all worked well together.